Hey my loves, in this video I'll be showing you guys how to go from this fresh day glowy look to this glam dark sexy grown date night look. If you want to know how I achieved it, just stay tuned and keep watching. So first I'm going to tie my weave back. Guys, there's a review on this hair. This hair is lush. I'm going to take off my Ardell magnetic lashes, wipe off my Fenty Beauty gloss bomb, hydrate my lips with my Fasali rose gold elixir, then get right into this look. Alright guys, so now that your makeup is, I was about to say now that your makeup's off, now that your lashes are off and you've cleaned your lips, with evening or nighttime looks, the emphasis is usually on the eyes and or lips. So for this look, I'm going to be going in with like a heavy purpley grungy eye with the same type of lip. And you know what, I was actually thinking, when do people go from day to night makeup? And you know what, it's something that happens very often. People have light and fresh makeup for work, and after work they need to attend a dinner, they need to attend a party, and they just do not have time to go home for whatever reason. So they literally have the same makeup on, but they just add on lips or eyes. And I mean, this is a tutorial for if bae ever calls you after work and says, what are you doing, let's go out, you know, and you just need, and he picks you up from work and you just need to, you know, freshen up, add something. This is a tutorial for you, babe. This is the one. Let me show you how to glow up for your man. So the palette that I'm going to be using for this look is the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I love this palette because of the deep tones that are in there. And this palette is really going to help take me from a light daytime look to a very dark grown evening look. I'm also going to use the Fenty Beauty Stunna lip paint on my eyes though guys, not on my lips, sorry. I'm literally looking for a red eyeshadow, but I can't find any in my palettes, and I just can't be bothered to get up and really search. So I thought I would just grab this, put this on my eye, and then go over it with a powdered shadow. By the way guys, I haven't even used this on my lips before, so the first time I'm using this is going to be on my eyelids. How insane. So I'm just going to apply some on my eyelids very gently. So I'm going to build up as opposed to start off heavy, just because if I am turning a day to a night look, there is no time to experiment, but I'm going to experiment anyway, hoping with all my chest and my fingers that it comes out looking good. And then I'm just going to use my BH Cosmetics number 12 brush to blend that through. Liquid lipsticks do dry quickly on the eyes, so be quick when blending. Oh, this is, oh my god, it started to dry already. It's actually started to dry already. Can you not? Like, I need you to really come all the way through right now. Not bad, not bad, not bad. And you know what guys, I've never tried this before, and I thought I want to do it on camera just because I don't always want to be the expert. I do want to trial and error with you guys as well, just so that you guys can see that no one is perfect with makeup, and all it is practice. That we all needed to start somewhere, and this is my first time using liquid lipstick on my eyes, and we're just gonna see how it comes out. And if you guys are watching this right now, it's probably because it came out well. If not, then yeah, it looked like shit, and this video just got deleted. And so in the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, I'm going to grab Saffron and dip that same brush in. Saffron is like a red, but it's just not as bright. It's like a maroon red color. So I'm just gonna pop that. Yeah, that's exactly what I wanted. Pop that over. Yes, that's exactly what I wanted actually. Also, because your foundation and everything's already on, please do remember fallout. So try to dust off the brushes before you apply it to your eyes. You don't want fallout on your face now that it's pretty much 90% complete. So I'm going to use the same brush, so I just cleaned it off with some brush cleaner, and then I'm going to dip right back into the palette, and I'm going to grab, I can't say this word, amethyst. Do you know who I feel like? I feel like that boxer with the lisp. I don't know. It's this purple right here, and I'm gonna dip right into it. And then I'm just gonna pop that onto my eyelids. Ooh, I do like that purple. yeah, I'm happy with that purple. I'm just gonna blend out the corners a little bit more, but I'm really happy with that purple. I did want this look to be an easy look, just because I understand that if you're going from day to night, it's probably because you don't have much time to get ready. Because if you did, you would really want to take off your makeup from that long ass day at work and start all over again. For eyeliner, I'm not going to do a wing. I'm just going to do a gradual liner. I'm using the Sigma Gel liner in Wicked. And the brush that I'm using is also from Sigma, and it's the E11 eyeliner brush. I have a discount code in the bio. I have a discount code in the description box for you guys. So if you do want to buy yourself any Sigma products, use my code. By the way guys, I have a whole separate eyeliner video coming, and that video is going to be very much so in depth. And then guys, using a pencil brush, I'm just going to grab some of that gel liner and start doing an outer cut, but I stop just before I get to halfway. Perfect guys. And then I'm just going to blend that out. I'm just gonna pop some lashes on. Got these lashes, some unicorn lashes. How gorgeous are they guys? They sent me some of their products, and honestly their products are A1. Packaging is to die for. And they also sent me tweezers. Like the packet, look at how cute that is. So now guys, I'm just gonna put my lashes on. I've already got some mascara on my actual lashes, so that's fine. I'm not gonna lie, these tweezers are super helpful, just because they're curved, they're slightly curved, so it holds onto the lash properly. And now guys, I'm just gonna smoke out my eyes with that same purple and some of this oud on top. Now I'm lining my lip with MAC Cosmetics Nightmoth. The liquid lipstick that I'm going to use to fill in my lips is the Colourpop I Love Sarahi Ultra Matte Lipstick, and this one is in color Mamacita. I'm just gonna go over my face with some of my translucent powder. I'm not using a lot at all. I'm just mattifying my face all over again. And the one that I'm using is Laura Mercier. Now, I need to bring my highlight back to life. So I'm gonna use my Jackie Aina La Peach. Oh, yes, highlighter. And the reason as to why I'm using La Peach and not La Bronze is because I love this rose gold color, and for this look, rose gold would definitely look much better than like a bronzy gold. And the brush that I'm using guys is from Unicorn Cosmetics. It's their fan brush and it's bendy. How cute. And this is the finished look guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.